Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to use Phone Hub on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To enable Phone Hub feature, look for phone icon. It says Phone Hub, click on it and click on Get Start. However, if you're not getting this option on Chromebook itself, then you can simply open App Launcher, open Settings, click on Connected Devices. Here look for Android phone. Click on Setup and click on Connect. Make sure your Android phone and your Chromebook has the same Google account login. Enter your system password, then click on Done and wait for the verification process. Once it gets verified, simply click on the option. Here look for Phone Hub feature and turn the toggle. Further, you can also customize Phone Hub feature. Like if you want to view your recent Chrome tabs, then you can simply turn this on. And if you want to view your photos, notifications and application, click on this setup button and click on next and allow all the permissions. And after that, simply close the window. Now to access your Phone Hub feature, click on the icon and from here you can manage your phone hotspot, notification, location, recent Google tabs, and also you will get an option to view your recent photos. Now if you want to open and use your Android phone application on your Chromebook, simply click on the settings icon, scroll down and enable app stream option. Click on setup, click on next, connect your Chromebook and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network, then click on done. And after that, you can simply access your Android application from your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can use Phone Hub on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.